that needs to be fixed. We have a leak. Let's have a closer look to see what's going on. So we have a flange here that the gasket blew out on the other side. Not much of the flange left. I've repaired it before, but as you can see from the repair, it was just bigger washers. I think I'll have to do something different. I could skip the gasket, cut here, add a piece of pipe, weld it around. But it's 30 degrees Celsius today. It's pretty hot. Lots of grease and graphite under this vehicle. I don't really want to be welding under here. I don't want sparks landing on me. But I have an idea, something that might work that is kind of the best of both worlds. Let's do some quick measurements. Okay, just under 2. Just over 2. Okay, just under 2 inches, just over 2 inches. I was able to get a gasket, but I wasn't able to get universal split flanges. They're great, but I can't get any today. But what I do have is a stack of muffler clamps. We're going to do the repair with muffler clamps. Let's see how it fares out. To give you an idea what I have in mind, here's the thought. Each muffler clamp has these 2 saddles. We'll remove these. One saddle. Two. I'll clamp those on either side of the pipe. We'll have, these are just not the right size, but just for show. We'll bolt that in to kind of crimp it in place, or clamp it in place. And I will have, I'm just using the washers for show. I will have something welded onto the ends here that I can run another bolt. Do a set of these on each side, then I can pull it towards each other like a flange. Let's see if it'll work. Here's the initial concept. Now I'm going to weld some tabs on this so I can bolt it and squeeze it together. Here we go, we got all the pieces made. Got the clamps with the ears on them. As you see, I made some studs out of straightening out the U-bolts. I know it's cheap, that's what I did though. And we got, these are new. I needed 3-inch. Found these, so they'll be used. Let's go put it on the vehicle. And here's what it looks like. Let's start it up, see how it sounds. There we go, not leaking. It's repaired for now. So where are we at with this repair? It's repaired, it doesn't leak. I have maybe $10 into the muffler clamps and supplies. So it was cheap repair. It did take me almost 3 hours to do this. If I had access to a split flange clamp, the universal ones, totally the better route to go. Will this get you back on the road? Definitely get you back on the road. It'll probably prove the test of time. But I do see the flange on that pipe is getting a little bad. It's something the muffler shop will probably have to fix later anyway. But for now, it works. A little more complicated than it needed to be, but definitely works. 4 muffler clamps can get you back on the road. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.